Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to explore the NAV SEAL DocuSign eSignature integration for Business Central. And in particular, we're going to see how we can use it to send a purchase order, get it digitally signed by our vendor, and receive it back. So let's jump right into Business Central. As you can see, I'm already standing on a purchase order that we're going to want to get digitally signed from our vendor. So I've already added all the items that are like. I can release it if you like. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be released, but in this case, I'm just choosing to do that. I've already installed, obviously, the NAV SEAL DocuSign integration. So I already have here in the home menu the DocuSign options. And if I click on them, you will notice that I'll have this action send with DocuSign. If we click that, we're presented with this nice dialog that pulls the information automatically from the purchase order, but it is obviously possible to customize it. Like I'm going to do in this case, I am going to use my email. Once I've completed the information, I can just click OK. And there you have it. We have confirmation that the envelope, as it called in DocuSign terms, has been sent to our vendor. So we can click OK. And I'm going to go ahead and open that email for you so you can see what your vendor will receive. Here it is. Now, obviously, this is a demo. So in a normal situation, you would not see this. This is just because I'm using a demo account, but this is pretty much how the email would look like otherwise. So your vendor will receive this email, and all they have to do is just click here on the review document link. They will be taken to the DocuSign website, and from there, they will be shown the document, in this case, the purchase order that we have sent them, and all they will have to do is just sign. This is standard DocuSign process. When they have completed, they will click Finish, and they will be informed that the signing process has been completed. So this concludes the steps for them. Now, let's go back into Business Central and let's see what we see in the meantime. So when we first send the envelope, you will notice that this field that has obviously been added when you install the integration, the envelope status, has status sent, meaning that obviously the envelope has been sent to the vendor. But this status will automatically update to give you a clue of when that signature has been placed on the document. This happens automatically in the background. There's a job queue that runs that checks on the status of all the envelopes and updates it accordingly. So let's imagine that we are going ahead and doing our regular work. And after a little while, we're coming back to check on our order. You notice that now the envelope status has changed from sent to complete, meaning that the customer has signed the document. How can we see that? Well, all we have to do is go here in the DocuSign menu, and you'll see now that we have a new option called View DocuSign Envelope. And if we open that, we're presented with this page. Now, this page has all sorts of useful information regarding the envelope itself, including the DocuSign envelope ID, which can also be found on the DocuSign portal if you need to identify that. But more importantly, we have this section here with the log lines where we can see when we sent that document out, but more importantly, when that document was updated to complete by DocuSign. In this case, we're also presented with a note that it is possible to see the attached PDF. And we have this action here in the menu that if we click and we open the PDF, you will notice that we have that same purchase order that was sent, but this time it's signed by our vendor. Now, I want to stress how all the information, all the PDFs are stored in Business Central, meaning that you can obviously go on the DocuSign portal as well to find them. But when we do update and we create a new status here for the envelope, we also download all the information attached, including all the PDF, and we store them in Business Central. So they're part of your Business Central instance. So there you have it. Pretty simple and straightforward. Once installed, with a few simple clicks, it's possible to send a purchase order over to your vendor, have it digitally signed, and automatically receive an update back once that document has been signed. This doesn't require any additional training for your staff. As you've seen, once set up, it's just a few extra clicks to take advantage of all those great functionalities. We hope you enjoyed. We have also a document that, we have also a video that shows how to use the sales document with our NAV SEAL DocuSign eSignature integration. We'll add a link right here. So go ahead and check that out if you haven't yet. And in the meantime, I would like to thank you for watching, and I wish you a very wonderful day. Thanks for watching this video from NAV SEAL. Check out more right here. NAV SEAL offer assistance and counsel on any existing solution. So if you're in need of assistance, don't hesitate to contact us on navseal.com or LinkedIn. Consider leaving a like and subscribe for more tips, news, and guides to anything Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.